I wasn't thinking my munchkin would get on there, but she did it. That little girl ain't moving either. She is too happy. She's loving life. You're welcome. Can I show you?
Hi, Munchkin. Hey, baby girl.
Okay, baby, I'll hold it.
I know.
She's telling me all about it.
I love my carrot.
I know you do, Mandy. Where's he at?
Hey!
Stay right here. Don't get near the tractor.
Are you having fun, Rita?
Fun? Yeah? Let's see if she'll come to me. Here's the real test. Oh my goodness, that has never happened.
Never. You are so good. Yes, you are. Because you're awesome.
Mandy, I can't believe that.
Awesome. Good. Okay.
Oh, I got her being such a
She will
ham.
not come to me.
Mandy, you got to learn how to drive the tractor.
She won't come to me, baby. Hey, Mimi.
What, baby?
Mimi, I'm gonna get straight and go put it.
Put that in English?
No.
I know.
Straight and go put it.
Okay. Mommy? String thing that's got a button.
Okay.
And what are we going to do with it?
Mom. Swing it.
Swing it?
Figure it out, but he wants it.
Okay.
Did you hear me?
Well, then Mommy better figure out what it is.
I know,
Because
but
we need to talk to the Easter
I
Bunny.
know, but I tell you.
Just like that?
Hey, Easter Bunny doesn't have
Oh. Preston, here comes Papa with baby sister again. Let me get ready for a drink. Chris, get ready for a drink. Hey, Mandy, I just want to see you try to get her again.
Huh?
I just want to see you try to get her again. Go
Okay,
ahead.
okay, here. Here's Preston.
Oh, look at her, Daddy. Do you see her? She's like peering over the top.
He's not walking. Preston! Come here, Papa wants you.
I know. You had so much fun that you wouldn't even come to your mommy.
I know.
She likes that tractor. She's a tractor girl.
She's a tomboy. Yes.
Whoa, I know. She says, wow. Oh.
Now, could Daddy have pushed over trees with that?
Little ones maybe, but not really because it's not like those things that they use to do the trees, baby. They have tracks on them, not tires.
I know. I saw it. Did you hear her tell me about that?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy saw it. Papa scooped the dirt up. We got to eat dinner.
Preston's not nearly amazed by it as much as Rue is.
No. Preston was sitting up here talking about Harry Potter a little bit ago.
April, what is today? April
Today is April 16th.
16th.
Look at that woman. You're the teacher, and I'm the one who stays home all day every day.
I wrote it on the board today. I didn't have to look at it again this morning.
Well, I looked at caller ID all day.
Papa thinks he's cute.
Miranda knows he's
I see you, Preston.
Look, Miranda's like, let me over there.
Oh, I can't hold this thing. Whoa.
God, I hope it doesn't rain, because y'all going to have to do your flower line again.
Oh, it won't matter. We have a board in the middle. It's true.
And it's how deep?
52 inches.
Oh, God, Mama, that's too deep. You can't stand up without your head above water.
Yeah, you can, baby. It's just a little over 4 feet.
It's what?
4 feet and 5 inches. But that way you'll get
Where's it going to hit?
That way you'll actually get 4 feet of water.
I am. Miranda's definitely not. She's probably begging her. Where's your bag?
Do you hear Preston?
Yeah, what's he saying?
Where did you get this tractor at, Paw Paw, I think? It's funny that he says Paw Paw.
I said Paw Paw. He quit for a while, but he's back doing it again. Did you hear him? He got stuck?